What is up, YouTube? So today I'm going to be doing my Yukon's first oil change. It has about over 4,000 miles since the last oil. But on top of the oil change, I'm also going to be doing a engine flush, as some of you guys know it, or also crankcase cleaning. And I got this through my job, through the guy that supplies us our products. And so we're going to put this in our engine and we're going to leave it running for about 15 minutes. And then right away we're going to crack the drain plug and drain everything out. First thing you're going to want to do is remove the oil cap. And see if I can do this without a funnel. Shouldn't be too hard. Then you want to put the cap on. And then you want to start your engine. It's about 8:50 right now, so we're going to let it run till about 9:05 with the crankcase cleaning fluid in there. Now we just wait. And then now we just let it run for about 15 minutes. Meanwhile, everything inside breaks down. And immediately we'll crack the drain plug and get the flush going. While we wait while the cleaning process is going on, I'll be quick to update you guys. I will be doing the valve cover gaskets pretty soon. And then I will be doing the transmission service and then the rear differential service. So if that's something you guys are curious to check out, go ahead and like and subscribe right now so you guys can stay tuned for the next videos coming up. Alright, now that it's been 15 minutes, we'll go ahead and shut the car off and drain the oil. Remove the oil cap once again. Now for this drain plug, it is a 13mm socket. And then just drain all the oil. Just capture it all. And then while the oil still drains, I'll start to take off the oil filter. Open up our oil filter. Then we'll put a little bit of oil in here. That way when we first start up our engine, it's not completely dry and it has some oil already in there. And get a little coating on the gasket. That way when we go to take it off next time, it's not seized on there. I would take a rag, just clean our mating surface. New O-ring has a clean surface to sit on. And then we'll take our AC Delco filter that we pre-filled with oil and send it home, bud. I just gave it a little snug. Yeah! Yeah! Pull this bad boy out. About 18 foot-pounds. Then we'll come back around this side of the engine. Give it a little surface, a little cleaning. We'll take our drain plug. Up to 18 foot-pounds. And we'll hit it with a brake washi. And now she's ready for some oil. It's a 5:30, and then the guy at work that supplies us, he gave me this premium engine treatment, which is like an oil conditioner. So we're going to be throwing this in here as well. Drink up, drink up. And it looks like we're a little overfill, but that's okay because when we started, the oil filter is going to continue to fill up, and that should compensate. Give it a fire up. Let it idle for a few seconds, and then we'll recheck our oil level, and that should wrap it up for this one. We'll give it a few seconds, let the oil trickle down to the oil pan, and then we'll check our oil level one last time. Give it a wet. Yes, sir. And then we'll recheck. We're a little bit low now. We'll just add a little bit more, and we'll be good. And that's all for today, folks. If you like my video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll just place our service reminder sticker here for the next 5,000 miles.